Yo, what is up? It is Earn with Todd here, back with another video, and in this video I got a special treat for you because I'm going to show you why I actually reverse traded a kangaroo tail on US30. So we're just going to review a clip from Twitch. You're going to see that I actually entered a buy on a bearish kangaroo tail, and you're going to hear my reasons why. This is one of the only times that you'll see me reverse trade a kangaroo tail, especially being on a Monday. So I'm going to roll some Twitch clips, and you're going to hear my breakdown and why I entered this trade. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Uh, Whatever your gut is. My gut is, I'll tell you what, okay, I was in the sell. I decided to get out. My gut was pointing me that it was going to keep going up because it's Monday. And I've seen a lot of good kangaroo tails on Mondays that have just completely failed. So on this one, go with your vibe. We have some people in the sell still, but my instinct is up. So there you had it. Okay, I was having this gut instinct that this trade was going to go the opposite way, and let's see how it developed. We will scroll through here and see how long it took. So here we are now up 400 pips in this about. Let's go ahead. We're only about $20 in profit. And here it's just going up. We're up over 500 pips, approaching over 800, and we are almost there to that TP. Go ahead and keep scrolling, see how this went. There we are, up 900 pips, and we are still going. Up over 1100 pips now. There it is. We're up like $54 right here. Go ahead and check in some other stocks on here. Since we got to remember, okay, the stocks is what drives US30 up. So when you're looking at the stocks, you'll get a better idea of where we might be headed to. Here you see I am checking all of the stocks on US30. We're all green, so I'm thinking, okay, we're going to keep going up. And right about here, I was like, okay, let's just go ahead and book my profits. I'm up 54 bucks. There we go. I close it. That was actually my biggest profit trade on stream. Not pip-wise, but that was a very monumental moment. But you know what? That's not all. Let's go ahead and look at another trade that actually took the very next day. So in this clip, you're going to see I actually broke that record of $54 and we smashed a 1300 plus pip trade. So let's go ahead and roll this. I mean, technically it already triggered. So I'm going to sell. And we're going to, so here we are. Here is a picture perfect kangaroo tail. This is on a zone and the tail is actually extending past all of these wicks here. So looks like a pretty good entry, and almost immediately it just starts dropping. Okay, so very good sign. Here we are, just dropping hard. Someone sent the anchor on this, but you know what? Look at, we're seeing some of this. You're gonna see these a lot with kangaroo tails, so you gotta be very careful to not move your stops too soon, because a lot of the times, okay, price is doing the same exact thing. It's gonna go down and then it's gonna go up here and stop hunt. Let's see how this went. Here we are, still trying to push up. We got that stop way above the wick still. And then we start going back down. And here I also missed a 5-minute sell on NASDAQ. It was a 5-minute candle. Phenomenal entry, but I just did not get in it. And that's going to happen. You're going to miss some kangaroo tails. And then here we see it dropping. Okay, I'm up over 200 pips now. Now we're up over 400 pips, and it's just going to keep dropping right here. I mean, this is amazing right here. We're almost up over 1,000 pips. This is how kangaroo tails work. You can literally get hundreds and hundreds of pips, if not thousands, like this one. Here we are, we're up over 1,100 pips. And right here, we see one of the stocks dropping, which is going to send US30 down even more. So here we're approaching 1,300 pips right here. Profit is 67 so far, and I'm thinking about closing it. We're almost at $70. This definitely beats my record of $54 of that previous trade. So I went ahead. I was just like, okay, I'm just going to book it. Let's bag our 1,300 pips. There's no reason to get even more greedy. There we go. Let's lock it up, get those profits. And if we notice, it was bouncing off some trend lines pretty nicely. So these two trades you've seen, really phenomenal, picture perfect of what you can expect with kangaroo tails. And of course, after I closed that $69 trade, my original TP level was for around $100. It completely smashed that. But you know what? We caught a big chunk, and it's going to be that much easier to break my record and actually start doing regular $100 days on stream. So when you see me streaming, okay, I'm not hiding my losses. This is my real account. I'm not on demo. Everything you see is completely real. So if you want to become part of the Kangaroo Hunter crew, if you already are, make sure you start tuning in more, because we're still bagging the pips. You're not going to see me switching up my strategies on YouTube. I've been trading kangaroo tails since February of 2020, and here we are. I'm dropping this video on September 30th, 2020. So I can definitely see myself trading kangaroo tails for the next couple of years at least. I mean, look at this. I'll probably be trading them for life, especially when you're able to get thousands of pips this easy trading on the 1 minute and 5 minute charts. So everyone, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off of this video. And as always, make sure you check out all of the links in the video description so you can subscribe to my Twitch. It's completely free to tune in. You don't gotta pay anything, and I do have some Telegram channels, so go ahead, check out those links, and don't forget to go to kangaroohunter.com. Have a great rest of the day, everyone.